Welcome to EDU World Space.
Let me first write the reaction. We have Ag plus half nitrogen plus 3 by 2 O2 gives me AgNO3. In this case, the entropy of a system decreases because there are lesser number of molecules towards the product side as compared to the reactant side. So, continuing to next part, we have delta S final will be equal to delta H final minus delta G final divided by the temperature. Substituting the value, we have negative 124.4 minus 33.4 divided by temperature 298. The value of delta S will be negative 305.4 joules per Kelvin. It is negative value, that means entropy decreases for the formation of product AgNO3. So dissolving AgNO3 in water will just change the state from solid to liquid. So that means delta H will be equal to delta H for products subtracting the delta H value of reactant. Here the reactants will be silver nitrate in solid form while the product will be silver nitrate in liquid or aqueous form. So substituting the value 101.7 minus 124.4 giving us 22.7 kilojoules. The value is positive. That means the reaction is endothermic. Next reaction is dissolving MgSO4 in water. So we have MgSO4 in solid form. Dissolving it in water will give us MgSO4 in liquid form. Again, we have to determine the delta H value using the same formula. Substituting the values, we have negative 1374.8 minus 1283.7. The delta H value is 91.10 kilojoules. In this case, the negative value represents the exothermic reaction. For the fifth case, we have AgNO3 in solid form giving us AgNO3 in liquid form. Using the same delta H formula, in this case we need to determine the entropy, that is delta G. The substituting the values, we have 34.2 kilojoules minus 33.4 giving us the value as negative 0.8 kilojoules. Further, we calculate the delta S value. So delta S equals value of delta H minus the value of delta G divided by the temperature. So it is 22.7 minus 0.8 divided by 298. Delta S value turned out to be 78.9 joules per Kelvin. Calculating the same for delta G, we have delta G values. Let me make a line. So delta G equals 1198.4 minus 1169.6. Delta G turned out to be negative 28.8 kilojoules. Using the same formula as for delta S, substituting the value, we have negative 91.10 minus 28.8 divided by 298, the value of delta S turn out to be negative 209 joules per Kelvin. In the case, the entropy of a system increases when AgNO3 is dissolved in water, whereas the entropy of a system decreases when MgSO4 is dissolved into water.